Hi everyone, Sunday 12th of March. This is FTSE. So this is the weekly. Um, as you know, I like to look at it on the higher term time frames. So for me, it has gone bearish now because we've broken this first um, major support area that I had on the charts, and we're now obviously tapping on the door of this more major support level here. So for me, it's bearish coming into support. Let's put this on the daily. So this is my first key area to break. These highs here I want to see taken out for me to come bearish. We've moved out of this sort of consolidation zone where it's dropped off from the highs. Broke through support there, broke through support here, and we're now in a more major support here. On this chart, it sits at around 7660, but that's more of an area. On these higher time frames, you can see we've come in and come out of this area. Also broken through the trend line, but let's chuck it on a chart. We can look to day trade it. So the key level for me to break was this 7857 on here. For me, that's where it turned bearish. I'll be looking for shorts. It's also come through. It's broken this support, and like I said from the other chart, this is actually my 100 level from my pull. So that'll be off a daily candle body high from previous highs, I'd have thought. That sits at 7673. So that is the biggie to hold or to break. If that breaks, obviously got a lot of numbers below. The next major level below for me is 7347. Not saying that's going to go that way, but that's what it'll be aiming for if it does it. Obviously, it's got to get through this center set here, 7550, and that exits at 7473. So if this more major support area holds around this, what was it, 7673 on here, 7660 on the other chart, then we're just looking for runs back up and how deep this pullback will be. If it's for the downward scenario, if this area here holds, which coincides with this fib set here, let's just move that out. This has been used. It is valid. So if this area holds here, 7759, call it 7760, up to 7814. If that area holds, then I would expect to see downside and another go at this major support level around this area that we're in now. Obviously, it could just keep going back up and come back up to here. So it's a bit of a tricky one. It's all about whether this support area holds now, because this is quite a biggie, but I am bearish on this now. Let's wait and see. Cheers.